Are you looking to enhance your Elementor page building experience? Look no further. Introducing EnterAddons, the ultimate add-in plugin for Elementor. With EnterAddons, you can take your Elementor page to the next level with over 62 free widgets, all designed to give you more flexibility and creative freedom. Let's explore some of the amazing widgets and functionalities EnterAddons plugin has to offer. Currently, you can see that I have already set up an Elementor-based website. I am currently using the Astra-free theme. First of all, you need to access the Addons plugin. Go to the plugin settings, install, and activate the plugin. After activation, go to the plugin settings and enable all the free elements or widgets. Then open the Elementor editor of any page, where you can test these amazing widgets. First widget on our list is Product Carousel. EnterAddons Product Carousel widget for Elementor allows you to present your WooCommerce products in an interactive and captivating manner, enhancing customer engagement. Now let's talk about another WooCommerce-related widget, coupon code. With this handy tool, users can simply click to copy the coupon code to their clipboard, streamlining the process of redeeming your promotional offers. The Photo Stack widget by EnterAddons for Elementor is a fantastic addition to your website. With this widget, you can showcase a stack of photos in a visually appealing and interactive way. It allows you to display multiple images stacked on top of each other, creating a unique and engaging visual effect. With a range of animation effects and hover effects to choose from, the Photo Stack widget in Elementor gives you the freedom to customize your design according to your preferences. You can select the animation and hover effects that best complement your overall website style. Content Ticker widget is another powerful widget for enhancing your website's content display. This widget allows you to create dynamic and attention-grabbing tickers that can showcase important announcements, news updates, featured content. The Travel Gallery widget by EnterAddons is a versatile tool designed to showcase your travel experiences and destinations in a visually stunning manner. With this widget, you can create captivating galleries featuring your best travel photos, allowing visitors to explore and immerse themselves in the beauty of different locations. The pricing table widget is the last free widget in our list in this video. Using this Elementor pricing table widget, you can produce stunning pricing tables with plenty of customization options and a sleek look and feel. EnterAddons, the incredible plugin we're discussing, offers a vast variety of free add-ons that you definitely don't want to miss out on. Make sure you watch the first part of this video where I introduce a few other free widgets from this amazing plugin. If you're enjoying this video so far, I kindly ask you to hit that subscribe button and show your support. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on the latest updates and reviews on plugins like these. It really means a lot to me. Thank you.